Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication. This secures your library and allows full access. Next, make sure your device runs a supported iOS or macOS release so the app behaves predictably. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network and turn on Bluetooth if you plan to stream to a speaker. These steps remove common blockers and let you sign into Apple Music immediately without being interrupted by updates or security prompts. Open the Music app and navigate to Listen Now or for you to trigger the service activation. You'll be prompted to join or sign in. Once signed in, go to Settings Music and enable Sync Library so your playlists and uploads stay consistent across devices. This uses iCloud Music Library. Then select or confirm a subscription plan and check billing details to avoid interruptions. Make sure your content downloads or streams as expected before moving to playback setup. Now connect output devices. Use AirPlay from the Control Center or the Music app to send audio to a HomePod, Apple TV, or other AirPlay speakers. Make sure both devices are on the same network. For offline listening, tap the download icon beside albums or playlists to store files locally. If you run into problems, first sign out and back into your Apple ID, then restart the device. If that fails, check Apple system status for outages. This sequence resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.